Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to view Excel sheets and files side by side. If you find this video useful, like and subscribe, support this video and channel, thanks a lot, and let's get started. We'll look at the most common reason. You have two sheets and that you want to compare, and they are in the same book. You need to place them next to each other. On the View tab in the Window group, click the New Window button. This will open another window of the same book. Then on the View tab, click View Side by Side. For example, I'll select a horizontal arrangement by clicking Arrange All. In each window, click the desired sheet tab. For the upper window, I'll select the first sheet. For the lower window, the second one. Done. Well, how to open two Excel files side by side? To view two sheets in different workbooks side by side, this is what you need to do. Open the files of interest. On the View tab in the Window group, click View Side by Side. In case you have more than two files open, the Compare Side by Side dialog box will pop up asking you to choose the workbook to be compared with the active one. When using the View Side by Side feature, Excel positions two windows horizontally. To change the default composition, click the Arrange All button on the View tab. In the Arrange Windows dialog box, select Vertical to place the sheets next to each other, or choose another option that suits you best. Tiled. Windows are arranged as equally sized squares in the order you opened them. Cascade. Windows overlap one another from top to bottom. One more handy feature that you may like is synchronous scrolling. As its name suggests, it allows scrolling both sheets at the same time. The option resides on the View tab, right below View Side by Side, and activates automatically with the letter. To disable synchronous scrolling, just click this button to turn it off. Now you know a little more. Thank you for watching.